Highway Code Rule 100. The driver must ensure that all children under 14 years of age in cars, vans and other goods vehicles wear seat belts or sit in an approved child restraint where required. See the table above. Rule 99. If a child is under 1.35 metres, approximately 4 foot 5 inches tall, a baby seat, child seat, booster seat or booster cushion must be used suitable for the child's weight and fitted to the manufacturer's instructions. Photograph. Rule 100. Make sure that a child uses a suitable restraint which is correctly adjusted. Rule 101. A rear-facing baby seat must not be fitted into a seat protected by an active frontal airbag, as in a crash it can cause serious injury or death to the child. So you would have to sit, you would have to switch off the airbag in the front seat. Rule 102. Children in cars, vans and other goods vehicles. Drivers who are carrying children in cars, vans and other goods vehicles should also ensure that children should get into the vehicle through the door nearest the curb. Child restraints are properly fitted to manufacturer's instructions. Children do not sit behind the rear seats in an estate car or hatchback unless a special child seat has been fitted. The child safety door locks where fitted are used when children are in the vehicle. Children are kept under control.